Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about Nasdaq. So let's get started. This is the Nasdaq monthly chart. I'm still preparing it, making it, but need to write down the numbers and all of that. But just a general idea we get from here, what's happening. I have a fib drawn from here to here, right? If you shrink the chart, this is what we have all together. Let's say, see this is what it's doing, but all this is irrelevant right now, but because what's happening here is important, right? So this is the chart, and I'm just paying attention to the rise from here and the fall to 61%, and then it is going up to the upside. Usually it goes, if it start bouncing from 61, then it goes back to 23% line. Just like this chart I made a couple of days ago about S&P 500. You can see here that if you draw the fib from here to here, what it did is it came down here touching this 50%, 50 or 61%, but it goes back to 23% line. Either way, either it's 50% first touch at B, 50 or 61, it goes back to 23% line, just like this one. You see that it exactly went to the 23% and then start dropping. That's exactly what I'm expecting from here. Then it might go to the 23% line first and then drop later on or not or whatever. So weekly chart will give you a little bit detailed story. This is the weekly chart, right? Same thing. So the fib, 61%, 23. But what is cooking when these numbers are touched, like 61, 23, and then I have another number here, 78, right? So this is basically is next chart. Let me show you that this is what's happening here. Is let me go here. Hold on, I have it open, I guess. From here, this is the weekly chart, and then look at this chart. This is the chart that this is what's cooking here. This is called like a harmonic pattern girdle, and then that's the calculation here. So here in this area, what happens is that you can have a couple of things, right? Like I have here written here, the bullish girdle or bad or mixed, which I call Bertley, right? So mixed calculation. But here, if it is 61%, then it should be going back to 23% line. Then it may drop or may not or whatever. So see, this C point is going to be here somewhere, 23% line. See this 23% line? So usually that happens. So I'm expecting that. So 50 or 61%. So this is 61%. And then from there, it's supposed to go to 23% line. So if it goes there, and why it will go there, let me show it to you in the next chart. What's happening here? Okay, and a smaller time frame will tell you exactly what's happening here. We're going to the upside a little bit. Now I have my 80-minute chart, which is this. First, I just made it on 28 March, right? So 80-minute chart. So this big move here, 3, 4, 5, and then this is sideways correction. What it is, this is actually is something like this. You see that? This a big move to the upside or downside, whatever. But this is bullish move, so I'm showing you the bullish chart. So the price goes fast and furious to the upside, and then you have a sideway like this. This pattern is called contracting bullish triangle in wave 4, or sometime in wave 2. But that's contracting triangle, bullish triangle, and so look at A, B, C, D, E, and then it breaks to the upside. So if that is happening here, where the heck it go? Maybe this one? Yeah. So I posted that chart on this chart here so that you can get a little bit clearer picture here, right? So this is what's happening here, exactly like this. It's A, B, C, D, E. We are at E. If we are at E, then we're going to be going to the upside. That upside move will take us to this 23% line. All right. And after that, it may come down, it may not, whatever. So we will see later on what the heck happened then, right? So this is what it is. And this, you can also trade this 80-minute chart. This was my creative trading system setup is IV setup, which I call, and now we can see here that this was a beautiful entry, this was an entry, this was an entry, and even on a smaller time frame, smaller than this one, almost like half of it, this is Nasdaq 40-minute chart I have, and this is how it is moving. So today, yesterday actually, this was the entry to the downside, and now it is rising as my 80-minute chart is suggesting. So it's going to go up, and here somewhere I'm going to have a bullish entry, long entry, just like maybe like here. Okay, like here, with, all the way up there, and then come down. This indicates all the way down. Price comes into the, this area here between yellow and the white line, somewhere there, and then it takes off. So this is going to be the system, and this is how it works. Very, very simple, very easy. But now you know that what is cooking in DAX. I opened that and then I see. So this is 80-minute chart suggesting that we're going to go up, and this is where we're going to go up because of this, right? So we're going to go to point C, and then we will decide if we're going to go all the way to the upside or first come down to 78 and then go to the upside. But first thing first, if we can stay above this number here, 124.67, we stay above this, we're going to go up here. All right. So this is it for now. And I've been promising that I'm going to make this video for a few days now, but finally, thank God. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you will get my videos as soon as I upload them. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.